how to take care of a kitten. Little litter training. Before you leave your cat in one small room with food and water to put your cat near the litter box. What will they do? They will climb curtains and trees, scratch and meow a lot for treats. Joke. 4 a.m. Everyone is asleep. Perfect time to run from one end of the house to the other at full speed as loudly as possible. Good names for cats: Jack, Lola, Sammy, Buttercup, Mr. Cat, Finn, Sam, and Pikachu. What will they drink? What do they drink? Milk and water. What will they drink? Milk and water. Thank you.